Hey guys, so there's a new build video coming out very soon, which I'm excited to show you. But before that happens, thought I'd show you a burnout clip mainly of this cool car that's been in the endurance event for the last 6 years. So the car is an S13 Silvia. Greg and Keaton and a couple of the other boys throughout the years have thrown in an RD28 engine out of a Patrol, and it runs an Isuzu Turbo. Very cool car. It's got a Captain Risky theme, but has had other ones in previous years. It always overheats, it always has problems, but they always fix it and get it back on track. So here's a couple clips of it racing around Collie at the Beers event, and also after doing an engine swap, they decided to finish the event with a celebratory burnout. Enjoy.
Bit of water. Bit of water. Bit of soot. Hey, Greggy! There's some action. That's so good. Is it going to cost some loops or what? Oh, double? I think I see double. Yeah, the daisy. We could do with the dog. That's pretty good, actually, isn't it? Not bad. Not bad. Bloody oath. Yes. Up goes the weasel. Yeah.